Alright guys, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it. So today worked on pulling the wire in the electrical room for the lights right here through the ceiling down to the switch in the last picture. Also drilling the holes in the panel to mount the pipes that I was talking about yesterday. And then pulled the wire through those up to second and third floor for the home runs to the lighting in the parking garage. And then I was happy to see, that was a joke, that this guy right there was doing a crane operation and did not block off anything, so if something fell that could kill someone. So that was enjoyable. That just upset me throughout my day. Also worked on this stairwell lighting right here, pulling the wire underground from that last box to that wall, and then also just taking the wire up through each wall to the next box for the stairwell lighting just temporarily. The last one at the top of the stairs, gravity took its toll, and I didn't realize it and cut the wire, and so it was barely just fitting in there in this crack, as you'll see here, but it was a tight squeeze, but I got it done, so I might have to re-pull that wire later. And then the end of the day, working on putting these J-box covers on, and they're so smashed and out of place. It's a nightmare. All the supports are falling out of the ceiling, all that stuff, and so that was a big ordeal that I'll have to work on tomorrow, and not looking forward to that. Thanks for watching. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to drop a like and subscribe. See you guys back here tomorrow. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Peace out. Alright guys, so back on the subject of the crane operator, basically what you're supposed to do is block off anything that can, any area underneath that can have fall potential with danger tape, which means do not cross. So that would be red. The caution tape is yellow, is proceed with caution, but red is danger tape, do not enter that zone. So basically the guy needed to block off the doorway and the two sides of the crane, which he later did after someone brought it up. I think even the general kind of got involved in that, but basically he did block off the two sides of the crane, but still did not block off the doorway to my knowledge. So even if he blocked off the sides of the crane, no one can enter that zone, but if someone randomly walks out the door without knowing it, something fell at the same time, boom, they're dead. So anyways, what you want to do is block off all doorways in that zone that people can walk out and under there, and the sides of the crane. Basically, the guy said that he didn't have danger tape or anything like that, so he just started lifting stuff, which is really stupid and it could possibly cause easily avoidable deaths. So if you're ever in that position doing a delivery of sheetrock, metal studs, anything wood, trusses, anything like that, don't be stupid. If you don't have the right equipment, don't start doing stuff unless you have like people that are flagging or whatnot to warn people not to walk out the doors or anything, which you probably won't have. So don't be dumb. Keep everyone as safe as possible on a job site. So anyways, as I just had to say that, it pissed me off, and I didn't say anything, which I should have. Someone mentioned it a minute later, but I really need to start making situations uncomfortable. I guess I don't even know, but basically it was just a delivery guy, so even if I pissed the guy off, I would never probably see him again. So I'd need to start taking the I need to start making situations uncomfortable and speak up when there are potential hazards or problems, without worrying about what people will say, because if something's dangerous, it needs to be addressed. So that's also on me, but I didn't bring it up to him, so that's on me, like I said. But anyways, if you're ever in that position, let's try to learn from our mistakes and keep everyone as safe as possible and coming home at the end of the day. All right, guys, that should do it. Peace.